angel setting me free. Where are you now? Do you feel safe? I don't need an answer, just need some space. Don't let me darken your front door. That is not what I came here for. Do you still carry all that weight? Don't need an answer, just need a debate. Don't stop before it's over. The weight is off your shoulder. Everything we fear will go away. You said it's a promise. I said that I doubt that. I'm your only reason to stay. Darkness has robbed me of my sight. Hold on to what I believe in the light. Are you doing well? Do you feel fine? Don't need an answer, just need a sign. I'm feeling bad, I'm feeling good. Feeling like I never could. Wait for me, I'm almost there. Soon we're floating in the air. So let it go, just let it be. Why don't you be you and I'll be me? That's what it took to open my eyes. Don't need an answer, just some kind of reply. Some kind of reply. Don't need an answer, just some kind of reply. sunshine today. I'm trying to make this darkness go away. I'll paint with colors and I'll sing until my lungs give out. I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. And I will leave my windows open so that I can hear the sound of people talking and the wind blowing in the trees. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. I'm gonna let the past be filled with smoke. And I will try to fix what has been broken. And take this weight off my shoulders, 'cause I know yesterday ain't come.
Okay, so I just wanted to explain what the difference was in these two pieces that I think kind of made a cool effect. So the lacing is more translucent, I guess you want to say. The color actually kind of came up. This one is beautiful. This I used the satin enamel, interior satin enamel by Bear that I found at Home Depot for $2. I always look on their clearance, like their mixed paints that people don't, it was the wrong mix or whatever. So this was the color. So I just used that as my base. And look, I mean, it's beautiful. So this was $2 for this. I got 3 of them. They were all different, like, shades of purpley gray. But look at the shine on this. I don't even know I'm gonna need to, like, do anything to this. It's smooth, it's beautiful. I'm really happy with this piece. This will be really pretty framed, I think. And then this one. So I obviously ended up putting these two in the same video because I used the same mixture of floetrol, Amsterdam white. So it's 4 parts floetrol to 1 part Amsterdam titanium white to about, oh, what did I use? I used 20 milliliters in this pipette of this oil. Now this oil is what everybody uses for the bloom, well, in the United States, what everybody uses for the bloom technique, because Australian floetrol is different than our floetrol. And I use our floetrol all the time to just by itself and get beautiful lacing, but I just wanted to see what this would do, so I got it. And it does do a little something different. So let me see if I have a piece in here that I can show you where it's just regular floetrol. Hold on 1 second. So this piece is just American floetrol, 4 parts floetrol to 1 part Amsterdam white, titanium white. So you can see the lacing is much bigger. This is beautiful and I love it, and I use it all the time, but I just was kind of just experimenting. So, oh, I don't want to put that down, it might be wet there. So anyway, it's something to try, give it a shot. Maybe next time I'll use a little less of the oil to see what happens, but it's kind of really pretty, and I'll bring the camera down. It's really fine, and the colors kind of come through. It's kind of neat looking. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, and go check out some of my other videos. I have plenty to choose from, some resin, some alcohol inks, some mixed media. All right, have a great one. I'll see you all real soon. Bye-bye.